In this video, we will learn the text view. Okay. Before watching this video, please watch the all the previous videos like shift language lectures and some videos done regarding the shift AI also. Okay. This is considered as a first video regarding the shift AI. Okay. Now I taken the one demo project with the name of text view demo. Once taken the project, it is look like this. Okay, here it is showing the preview. Whatever changes we have done here, it will be reflected immediately without running the simulator or device. It is running in the simulator. Okay, this is not necessary to run the simulator. If you use the preview, it will be reflected immediately. Okay, once taken the project, it will be showing like this here. Okay, now our concept is text view. Okay, now I am removing the this image. Okay, we will see the image in the coming videos. Just I taken the text. You can call it as text view. What is the use of this text or text view? We can call text or text view. Better to call it as a text view. Okay, what is the use of this text view? To show or to display the some text, one line of text or multiple lines of text also. You can call it as it is a read only text. What is this? It is a read only text, means that we cannot enter the text dynamically on the screen. When you touch the screen, we cannot enter, just it is only for the to see the to see and feel. We cannot touch and feel. That is the use of the text view. You can call it as text view, but at the time of writing, you need to write as a text. What is the text? It is a struct. What is this? It is a struct. It is a struct. In the shift AI, everything has a one struct. For example, if you see this, it is a one struct. It is a main struct. Inside this, we have a property. It is a struct. Inside this, it is a computed property. It is a stack, V stack. Use align elements vertically. Okay. Now, now previous updated. And what is the text I given? Hello world. Now I would like to give this some color. For applying the color this text, we need to use the foreground color. What is this? Foreground color. It is a function. We can pass the required color. You want gray color, if you want blue color, whatever you want, you can pass it. Just very simple. It is applied. By default, the text is showing some light, some text color is very low. Default size is text view is showing 17 points. This is the default size. Okay, discuss it later regarding the default size also. Okay, now I given the color only. Now I am taken the another text. Is it any problem if I take another text? There is no problem. You can text any number of text. Any number of. I am writing the text. Welcome to Shift AI. It will be displayed in the below the hello world. Why? Because it is displaying the one by one. We have given the vertical stack. That is the reason it will be display one by one. It will be aligned. Okay. Now I would like to display the welcome to Shift AI in the two lines. How to write it? we have a one option. We have like this. If we given the slash n, it will be displayed welcome to Swift AI. If you observe this, it is having there is no space actually. Hello world and welcome to Swift AI. Now I would like to give the padding. What is the use of padding? It will take the four sides. It will take the four sides, left and right and top and bottom. It is take by default 16 points size, 16 point size. But we are unable to see, but it will be, it has taken the space, but we are unable to see that how much space has given, how much space it has taken. For this reason, you can give the some background text. If you observe this, it's taken left some space, right some space, and below the some space, and top some space. Okay. Now yeah, next again I would like to take the another text view. Okay, I'm giving the text welcome. In this welcome to text Shift AI, I given the padding and just background color. Okay, now in this text view I would like to display the some name. You can call it a string interpolation name. We know this for declaring the variables. I'm giving the shift language. Now I would like to I would like to take this name and display in the welcome. You can call it as this procedure string interpolation. Means that we are we are aligning the text with required format. Like this, we can display this dynamically. Dynamic data also we can declare. Just I taken the one variable and taken the variable name is name, taken the braces left and right braces and given the slash, and inside I given this is called as string interpolation. Okay, you can text any multiple lines of text views or any views, not only text views. Again I am taken another text view for perform the some more operations. AI design. Okay, now UI design looking very some font size is very low. Now I would like to give some, I would like to increase the some font size using the one function we have already. We know that is the what is the name of that font. In the font we have multiple modifiers. For example, dot, I am giving the large title. Look at here, what will happen? It will show wrong spelling, DASIGN. Okay, you can see UI design is it looks very large. In this we have multiple things actually, not only large title, we have title 1, just title I am giving a little bit, it has decreased the size. I am giving the title 2, it is also some decrease the size. I am giving the title 3. Look at here, it's look like it has decreased something. Okay, we have headline also. I am giving that modifier as a headline. Look at here, if we given the headline, it looks some bold type. Okay, means that what I am saying here, it is a property. You can give the desired name, desired font name, like what is the title 2, title 3, headline and large title. You need to pass these modifiers to the font function. Okay, Now I would like to take another text view. You can take any multiple texts, no issue. Now our shift language lectures. I'm giving shift language. Now I would like to, here we given the predefined font names: headline, title, and title 2, and title 3, and large title. We given the predefined font names, but I would like to give the some required font size also through numbers. For this I am taken the another text view. Now I am giving again, I am calling the font function on this. I am calling the system sorry dot. You need to use the always dot, don't forget that. Yeah, we need to use the system. What is this? System. Now again we need to pass the size. System means it's taken as a SF fonts. Okay, system fonts. Okay, I am giving 50. Look at the shift language is, it is a 50 points. If you want, you can decrease, or based on our requirement we can give the this. Okay, but here we have some restriction. We cannot give the already predefined modifiers: headline, large title, title 1, and title 2, and title 3 only. But I would like to 100 fonts we cannot give here, so we need to use the system fonts. Now you can give the your desired number. Instead of system fonts, you can use the some custom fonts also, but we need to download from the custom fonts from internet and add to our project, and we can use here. Okay, coming videos we can see that how to add the custom fonts and how to use also. Okay, what is the use of this system font? We can give the our required font size to the text. Already initially I discussed, by default the font size is 17 points. If you give the just text, it will take by default 17. Okay, if you want if you sufficient for 17, no need to give the any this predefined titles, font titles, or modifiers, or our desired font number also, no need actually. If you sufficient, you can use this, otherwise you can use this one, and we need to use the this one also. Now I would like to take another function. Again I am taking the another text view. Already we discussed, we can take any number of text views or any other views also, not only text view. Okay, I am taking welcome to shift language. Now I would like to set this font welcome to shift language as a bold format. How to this is, now you can call again font weight. We have a function. What is this? Font weight. For here system font or this predefined fonts names we have used using the font, but I would like to change the bold and italic, regular or semi bold or medium formats. We have to use we can call it as this is a font weight. For this we have to use the function name is font weight. So I am passing the font weight now. Initially bold. Look at here, this is bold. Here observe the preview. Shift welcome shift language, it is a bold. Welcome to shift language, it is a bold now. Now I would like to change black. I would like to give the black. Look at here how it will look like this. Okay, we have multiple medium will be look like this, or semi bold or semi bold. we have multiple. Okay, I am writing here bold, medium, here semi bold, dot. You need to call everything as a dot. I am not writing a dot. Heavy, black, regular, dot, sorry, light, thin, ultra light. We have this font weights based on your requirements or your screen presence. We need to use this font weights. Okay, font is different, font weight is different. Remember this point. Okay, now yeah, I would like to give this color to the welcome to Swift language. We know that what is for that foreground color. Remember this function name is foreground color. I'm giving the blue color. Yeah, that is the color as applied. Okay, if you want you can give the background color also, but I am not giving the background color. Okay, and I would like to give the font also. Large title. Okay, it is a large title. Welcome to Swift language. Initially I given the large title. After that I given the semi bold. After that I given the foreground color also. Okay, now opacity, we have the opacity. What is the opacity? It is a modifier. It look at here, opacity is having 0 to 1. If you give the 0, it is a invisible. If you give 0, it will not visible. Look at here, if you give the 1, it will be visible clearly. But I would like to lighter, I would like to lighter visible. We need to give the 0.3. Look at here, it will be yeah, this is called the opacity. If you give the 0, it will not visible. If you give the 1, it will be visible clearly. If you give 0.123, it will look like this. I am giving the 0.9. So it will more visible. 0.9, it will more visible. If you give 1.0, it will look clear visible. If you give 0, it will not visible. If you give 0.1 or 2, it will lighter visible. Look at here, we can call the opacity. Based on this is also based on our requirement, we need to give the opacity. It is used for basically sometimes text not visible clearly at the time of entering the some fields, button disable time. At the time of we need to use the opacity. Okay, now I would like to take another text view. I'm taking another text view. Welcome Shift A. Look at here, I am entering same text multiple times. Look at here, what is it happening? Means that initially look at here, it will be going top and as well as it is taking the multiple lines of text. Okay, already initially I discussed what is the use of text to you. You can show we can render or we can display the one line or multiple lines of text. Okay, it is only the read only text, not for writing. It is allowed only reading, just for see. Okay, now I enter the multi-line text. It is having also some modifier, some multi-line text. Means that it is aligned by default center, but I would like to start from the, look at here, multi-line text alignment. What is this modifier? Multi-line text alignment. It is having center and leading and trailing. Now by default is taken as a center. Now I am giving the leading. Look at here, it starts the leading. Okay, if you give the trailing, it will be look like this. You can see, look, trailing will be, if you give the trailing, it will be aligned to the right side. If you leading, it will be aligned to the left side. By default it is a center. If you want, you can give the center also. Okay, we have another modifier also, but it is having multiple many lines of text, but I would like to some limitation. Okay, we can give as a, we have a modifier, we can call it as a function. We have line limit. What is the line limit? We can, based on your requirement, you can give the, I would like to give the 3. Now you can see it will, this is only the 3 lines of text, but it is having more lines, but I would like to see, I would like to show only 3 lines. That is the reason we can use the line limit function, or you can modifier for showing the limited lines. Okay, and now you can see the another modifier. Always you need to use the dot operator. Dot, I am using the modifier, you can call it as a function also. Line spacing. Look at here, I am calling the line spacing on this text view. Already I restricted these lines, these multiple lines as 3. Now I am giving the line space between these spaces. Okay, it is asking the CG float. I am giving the value some 15. I am giving some 15. Look at here, it will take 15 points space. If you give 25, it will take 25. Okay, this is for, this is the use of the line spacing. Okay, now I am taking another modifier on this text only, on this text view only. Dot underline. Next modifier is underline. We need to pass underline true. Look at here, it is taken as underline. The 3 lines text has taken underline. Now I would like to pass underline as a color, comma, we need to pass the color. I am giving some orange. Look at here, this underline as color has changed, it is orange color. Okay, I performed 3 operations. First one, I taken the multi-line text. Okay, it aligned in the center. You can align leading also, means left and right, right means trailing, and center. I restricted line limit using the line limit modifier as 3 lines. I am given the space between the lines using the line spacing. I given the 15 points. Okay, another modifier I used underline. It is used giving the underline to the particular text. Okay, I given the color also. What is the color I given? Orange. Okay, now I am taking the another text view. Text. Apple computer. I taken the another text view with text struct. I passed the Apple computer. Now I am giving one modifier. This is kerning, Kerning. Look at here, I am giving the some 5. look at it. Apple computer is as a normal text. Now I am applying this kerning. I am giving the file. Look at here, it is taking the some space to the each letter. Okay, this is the kerning modifier. Use it for giving the space to the individual letters. After that, we can I would like to display the text as some frame like particular width and particular height. For this I am giving frame. We need to give the frame. I given the width as 100, height as 50. Now it will be width means this width is 100, height means 50. Why? Because Apple computer has given the single line, but it has taken two lines. Why? Because I given the frame as 100 only. That is the reason it will be stretched into the two lines. I given the height as 50. Check background. I am giving the background color. That's what. Okay, I restricted 100 only. That is the reason the Apple computer text is converted into the two lines. Now I can perform the another functioning or another modifier on this Apple computer text view. Okay, now I am giving this text view. I would like to click on this text view. I would like to perform the some operation. Means it will be making as a action bull. When you touch this, I would like to perform some action. This is not having the actions. Why? Because this is not a button. It is a text view. So I would like to add this. I would like to make it as a some action performer. So for this, I need to add one modifier, that is on tab getcher. Look at here. I am entering some. Instead, I am giving the some print statement. Action performed, I am writing. Okay, look at here. I am clicking on Apple computer. Action performed or not, you can see the output in the console. Now I am clicking the Apple computer. Look at here, the action will be performed here. Look at here, the text will be printing. So it is perform the action also. Okay, text view also perform the actions, but for this we need to add the some gestures. I add the some tab gesture. Now you can see the another modifier. Okay, for this I am taking the another text view. Just I am giving the text using some service request. Okay, now here S and R as capital letters, remaining as small letters, small case. So now I would like to convert all this letter as a lowercase. Look at here service request S and R as capital. I am converting now. I using the text case. It is a modifier. Okay, I am giving the lowercase. Look at here, all are converted into the lowercase letter. Okay, now I would like to convert as all are uppercase. Now I am commenting this. I am bringing the uppercase. All letters will be the converted into the uppercase letter. Okay, these are all functions or modifiers on the text view. But here we have to learn something also. Some here all is there, below another text view is there, another text view, multiple text views are there. If you want to give the some space, we need to give the padding to the each and every text view. Okay, I am giving the padding. Sorry, I am giving padding. Okay, I am giving the some space here. Like this, we need to add to all the text views. Look at here, each one now taking the space. But apart from this, I would like to give uh, some space between the all the views using the vertical stack. Okay, you all are aligned into the vertical stack, means it is aligned top to bottom. Okay, now I would like to give the some spacing to the each and every text view. For this we need to use the some spacing. Okay, I'm using the spacing. I'm giving 25. Look at here, each and every text view, every structure is taken as a 25. If you want to decrease the space, you can give 15. Based on your requirement, we need to give. If you want to 5, you can give the 5 only. If you want 30, 35, you can give the 35. Based on your request, you need to give the some space. Okay, it will be applicable to the all the text views in the single shot. Instead of giving the each text view as a padding. Otherwise, we need to give the padding to the each text view. Okay, that's it. And and now I would like to add the scroll view to. I would like to add to scroll view. Look at here. Very simple. In the using storyboard or AI kit, adding scroll view is a big task. But I am giving just I declared as scroll view, open braces, okay, close braces, outside of the V stack. V stack is here. Okay, this is a V stack. All the V stack kept into the this scroll view. Then the screen will be scrollable automatically. Look at it. It is very easy to add the scroll view also. Okay. In this video, we have learned the how to create a text view, how to perform multiple operations like font, style, okay, frame, giving the some underlines. Uh, we have seen the multiple operations. Okay, and we have seen the giving the space between the all the text views in a single shot using the spacing, and we have seen the another view, scroll view, putting the v stack into the scroll view. The entire screen will be the scrolling like this. Okay, this is all about to the text view. This is all about the text view in the Shift AI. This is the this is the first video. We will upload the series of videos from today. Yeah, if you have any doubt, just comment me, and please subscribe and share our friends also. Thank you for watching, and please do support. Thank you so much.